So it's really important when you're shooting that you keep your headphone volume as loud as possible. When you plug it in, you're going to find that your volume level is probably pretty low. It will not reflect your VU meters. So I think the best thing to do is kind of your headphones have to be loud enough so you can hear them. So if you don't have a lot of gain, you're going to have to turn the headphone volume up as loud as you can until you can hear it. Now, if you do have a lot of headphones, you want to kind of keep that in a medium level. So make sure that whatever you're hearing sounds good. So if it's like, let's say 12 decibels sounds good, that 12 decibels shouldn't sound too loud for you when you have your headphones on. It should sound like you can hear everything, but it's not too loud. And it's also not too quiet. Otherwise, you should adjust it. But a lot of times with the type of headphones that we're using, even when you have the headphones on, you realize that you're not hearing anything because you're in a situation where things are so loud, you have to turn the headphone volume up all the way to be able to hear anything. And that's something that, because you have to be able to hear noise or hear humming or hear the buzzing. So it's not about necessarily hearing the best volume, it's about hearing all the problems that could be going on. So I really recommend you double check that, you really practice that and make sure that you're getting good headphone volume.